baby. Hang on. Way to go, guys.
You spent so much time talking about this championship battle. What would it mean for Matt Kenseth to win this race?
All right, buddy, come to the green. It's on you. And the leader is...
Green flag is out. Matt Kenseth is going to try to get away. Here comes Chase Elliott.
Looking inside, 24. He's out there. All clear. All clear.
Chase Elliott out in front at Phoenix.
Getting a rhythm, nice and smooth. I think Matt's going to get back to him. You and him, nothing else.
Chase Elliott has everything to gain here. He cannot let Matt get by.
Go get him, Matt. Go get him.
To the inside, the 20 of Kenseth.
F lane lower. Looking. Tight on the door. Still there. Clear. Stay with it now. We're fighting for our lives here. Stay with it.
White flag flies at the start-finish line.
Hey, buddy. Get that checkered flag. Welcome back, champ. There you go.
Matt Kenseth becomes the spoiler today in the Arizona desert.
Yeah, baby! Woo!
You guys are going to see the biggest grind baby you've ever seen. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it.
Man, that was so freaking awesome, dude. I mean, that's just storybook. Classic, baby. Classic.
Whoa! Big crash. Danica Patrick and Joey Logano and Eric Almirola.
Flames erupting out from under that car.
You okay? You okay? Hey, are you okay? What the killed? Hey, please talk to me. He's out, Brandon. Danica got just green. She's doing an awful job all night. Hell, she's running 11th there. It got tore all the down. She's a pretty tough old bird, I'll give her that.
3 wide, we're reckoning.
Oh, around goes the 24 of Chase Elliott. He had help. Trevor Bayne got caught up with him. The caution comes out.
The 5 knocked me into the 24 there. That damn 95 wrecks me one more time, man. Damn it. Come on, Tuis. It's not bad. What in the hell is that MFer's problem, man? That is the biggest dumbass I've ever seen in my life. That some can't drive a wood screw. Damn.
Chase Elliott. He opens the door down below. Here comes Denny Hamlin.
Pushing you, 2 to go at the 1. Oh, he just wrecked us. Douchebag. He checked up way early. Yep, he definitely wrecked me.
Remember how aggressive these drivers have been up to this point, and now the aggression even more.
You want to go at the start, don't just give it to him here.
Larson did not get the start that he wanted.
How the f*** are they going to let him do that every race?
Low, 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 low. Easy, 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 easy. Apron, apron, apron. Come on.
Caution.
Wreck. Big wreck. We are coming to the checkered. You won.
Me. What? I don't think that's right. Yeah, that's the race. P3. Oh, my God.
That's it, man.
Congratulations!
Jimmy Johnson, 6th on the all-time victory list, pointing to the helmet, honoring Yarborough.
Think about restart. You're the restart champ, man.
Stenhouse.
Oh, he moved him. Stenhouse moved him. And gets back on the lead lap.
And
Here
the
they
lead
come to the
change.
flag. How about that?
17. Oh, my. What a. Easy now. Easy now. We got a left front row. We got a left rear row. We got every row because I got to beat the out of me for no reason. Take a chill pill for me. Take a chill pill. Got a race to win here. All that work for absolutely nothing. Nothing. No reaper running reward.